Hey, want to know how to crack your Disciplined Agile exams? What are the tips and tricks to clear your Disciplined Agile exam? Well, I'm not going to tell you a whole lot of things. For that, you need to visit our website or take our course, and we have a specialized exam strategy for that. But one tip I would always recommend, and many people vouch for that, is our mock exams. It is on the ProMock simulator, and you can take the mock exams after you clear your concepts with our training and our supplementary material. And I will assure you, if you score well in the mock exams, you are going to crack your Disciplined Agile exams. So be it a DASM, be it a DSSM, be it a DAC or a DBAC, you're going to do good in your Disciplined Agile exams. Check out ProThoughts and ProMock Simulator for more details. Thank you and namaste.